Hi, it's HardReset, and today we're going to compare the heart rate measurements on OPPO Watch X2 and HUAWEI Fit 4. So first, how to go into the measurements. So first, the OPPO. Just scroll till you see the heart rate. And in HUAWEI, just scroll till you see perhaps nothing, because it took me around 2-3 minutes to find it, and it is in here. So maybe it's just me, or it is hard to find. So go into the heart rate here and go into the heart rate here. Click, and it starts to measure our heart rate. It has a difference sometimes. Mainly it's around 2, maximum 3 units, as you can see. But sometimes it has a difference in like 10 or 12 even units. So yeah, now it's 6. And I don't know which one to believe. So yeah, it's for you to decide which one do you want to believe more. But when we go in the HUAWEI, here you have the of course your heart rate right now. And when we go in the OPPO, you have your heart rate measurements too. Okay, I don't know what I wanted to say. So as you can see, the difference between them is 3 units right now. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.